Good morning, Mr. Gizmo. As you know, we are the SmartPen team and we wanted to present you our HR management leadership plan that we're going to perform in the next following months to get that temporary management position in this new team. So our plan is consistent on several points. And the first one, we wanted to do a formal introduction to merge both the SmartPen team and the HR team, so all the members get to know each other and we can understand better the whole situation. We will first discuss our own situation and explain how we overcome our own problems and difficulties that we have when we had like that fine mess that you are aware of. And then we will give like some motivational speech about the core values of the whole company and of this project in particular, about talking about accountability, perseverance, integrity, empathy, and trust. We think that both sharing our personal experience, they will be able to sympathize with us, and also we will be sharing with them our future steps, so that will be good for them to know. Then we would like to meet each one of the team members individually to discuss their experience and skill set to be able to evaluate all the problem in a better way. We will tackle the potential of each one of the members and talk to them to see if we can do any coaching activities with them to build a better team. And in these meetings that we're gonna have with the team members individually, where hopefully we will find what are the main problems and where if there are like any clashes or difficult situations between the team members, so that our next step will be like trying to conduct the difficult conversations with them in order to solve these problems and try to look forward and work on together in a better and successful project.
After our initial meetings, we believe that we'll get to know the team better, and then we'll be setting up the team charter collectively. We will take the opinions of the team, the e-charter team, as well as we'll put on our opinions in developing the team charter. The team charter will help us to set common goals which are better for the company and the e-charter team as well. We'll also set up how the team is going to communicate within themselves. So that will help us that will help the team to be on the same page. And then will also mention about how they are going to deal with conflicts, how to take decisions, and how to make long-term plans for the team. And in the end, we'll as a part of team charter, we also set up ethical behavior, which will be beneficial for the team in the long term.
To get the project back on track, we believe that having a team agreement is really important for the e-chatter team. So the following elements will be included in our team charter. First, we want to have the objectives laid out that are specific to the projects to make sure that we are covering everything involved in the projects. We want to have all the deliverables with due dates so that we know that all the projects are on track. We also want to lay out all team member responsibilities so that everybody is aware of what they're responsible for. And finally, we'll conclude the document with signatures from all team members. So you may be wondering, why do we need this team agreement? It's to ensure that everyone is accountable for the work that needs to be done. So we believe that accountability means that everybody will contribute equally.
So the next thing we're going to talk about is to inspiring the superior performance. In order to motivate the employees, we need to do it from the intrinsic rewards and the extrinsic rewards. For the intrinsic rewards, which is the most effective way to motivate the employees, we will emphasize on the meaningfulness of their work. So we will talk to them about the purpose of this e-chatter project, the impact of this product on people's life, and then we will talk about the choice they have. All the team members will be given freedom to operate and do decision makings on their work. And then we'll talk about the progress. They will all be treated with respect, and their ideas and voices will be heard. Then the competence, the personal contribution of each member will, for this e-chatter project, will all be recognized. So after that, we'll help them to arrange the team building activities to help them create the team bonding in order to to create a better team environment for them, to encourage the bond and to facilitate teamwork and innovation in the team. And then for the extrinsic reward part, we'll discuss with the team members for their salaries and the bonus they're receiving to make sure they're satisfied with the current situation or what else we can make. And also we'll tell them the promotion will be provided for those who did great job in moving the project forward, and they'll be aware that the compensation are tied to the team performance.
So talking about performance management, we are going to establish a 360-degree feedback system where we are going to have online survey system for the employees where they can give their feedback about the problems or how they're finding the performance of the entire project. We'll also have regular meeting with the individuals to know them better, to understand the problem they are facing, or if there's something that they cannot openly share with everyone, but they can actually interact and share it with the person whom they are meeting with. And this will not only help us to focus on the growth of the project, but it will also help us in individual development. So our next point is recruitment process. Since we know that some of the employees left the team, so we need to do some hiring. It will be both internal and external, and the team members will review the candidate info, and the entire recruitment process is going to be managed with the entire team so that everybody is aware of who is going to be part of the team next. And Mr. Gizmos, we hope you like our plan, and if there are further feedback or suggestions that you would like to give us, we are open to that. Thank you.